Hello, I'm Philip. This is my recording for Bio 101. Specifically, I believe this is Lab 2, Exercise 1, locating the epicenter of an earthquake. I have pre-downloaded Google Earth, and I'm gonna walk through the lab so that I guess, show my work. So first thing I'm supposed to do is download Google Earth and make sure all the settings are done appropriately, which I have. And then I'm supposed to go through each one of these seismograph locations and analyze their data and write them down according to the chart that the lab gives me, on the data sheet, I mean. So HKPS had these readings at not too long after 3:30:45:02, and their latitude was 220. Excuse me, 2228, and longitude was 11414, which I noted on my data sheet. And I had to go through a few renditions of these graphs because I felt that they weren't very accurate nor specific for this assignment. But eventually I decided that the P wave arrival, which is this wave here, was 332. I determined 332 based upon the 2 second intervals between 336 and 338, 332. I was going to initially put 331, but I figured it was closest to 332. And then I did the same thing for the S wave, and I decided it was 337 since it started roughly in the middle. Then I subtracted the difference between the two, got 5 minutes, and I used the chart that they gave me to determine the epicenter distance. Initially, I thought it was like 3,000, but after careful checking on the chart, I figured 2,600 was more accurate. I did the same thing for INCN. Latitude is 337.48 and the longitude was 126.62. My determination in this P wave was 328 based on the 2-digit intervals and where it roughly started between the two intervals. And then the S wave arrival time here was 3:31, which gave me a difference of about 3 minutes, which I noted on my graph to be 1,300. And then same goes for Majo. Latitude of 3655, longitude of 138.20. Determined that because of the fact that these were single second intervals, the arrival time of the P wave, which is this, was about 327, and then 327, and the arrival of the S wave, which would have been this one, is 328, giving me a difference of 1 minute which I determined to be about 600 kilometers. Once I got those numbers, I put them into the circle generator. And I got this result. I figured that the origin, or the epicenter of the earthquake, was about here-ish. And then placed, as you see here, I placed a marker and I created a screenshot of the file, and I will upload the file when I upload this video. I hope this was what you were looking for. I wasn't sure exactly what you wanted me to do. I will also send pictures of the graph when I send in my information for the data sheets and whatnot. I guess until next time.